In the last video I showed you how to cast a mace head with the lost foam casting method. Today I'll be showing you how to build a mace. First of all, cut the excess part off. Now we need to file down the cutting edges. After that I used a bend grinder to make the spikes smooth. I decided to give a pyramid shape to the spikes. I tried to remove the material with a file, but this would take many hours, so I cut the material with an angle grinder. After cutting, I switched to ascending disc to give the final shape to the spikes. Always make sure to wear safety goggles. After the sanding, the mace head should look like that. Now we need to sand the interspaces. I use a red tail file to do this. I switch to a smaller file to sand the interspaces better. Now we need to sand the center hole. I use the red tail file again. When all the filing was done, I finished the mace head with a 120 grit sandpaper. Now it's time for the handle. I used a piece of an old shovel handle. At the moment the handle does not fit to the mace head. Take a rasp and remove the excess wood. Now the mace head fits perfectly. Plug all pieces together and make sure the mace head is placed straight on the handle. Secure the mace head with a screw and the mace is finished. And here's the finished product. Let's see what this mace can do.